So here we go, once again, two wagons side by side. I wish they would bring a law in to stop them from doing this, from overtaking on the motorway when there's literally half a mile an hour difference, if that even, and clogging up the middle lane, and then wagons can be side by side for up to 5 miles, only for the wagon to come off at the next exit. It's infuriating. It's unnecessary. Just drop your cruise control back a couple of speeds and just like chill out. There's just no point at all. Absolutely no point. Now there's another one, white van, middle lane, hogging it. Why don't you just get into the first lane? I just don't understand it. Absolutely crazy driving, like. They make it so hard, don't they? It's such an easy thing to do, to just drive on a motorway. And here we go. And before anybody says anything, I am quite close to the vehicles in the first lane, because everybody yaps on and says, you're miles away, what you lane hogging? I ain't. Now look at these wagons in front. Overtakes, realises they can't overtake, and then he decides to back off and pull back in again. Totally pointless. But once again, it just shouldn't be doing it. And everybody will be saying, I know they will, what you hogging lane 2 for, why didn't you pull in? Well, the dash cam, gives the illusion that you're further away than you actually are, and you're not. You're a lot closer, and I'm in the second lane because I'm overtaken. It's as simple as that. And here we are, here's another lane hogger coming up. Watch, 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 watch. This is even madder, this. The second overtaking lane. Just sits there. Answers on a postcard, please. Why they did it.